All right, well, here we are. This is AM Woodturning. My name is Alan Males, and this is part of Blue Collar Turners series. And today we're visiting Pork Chop again in his shop. And he's got a little project he's going to do today. What you going to do today, bud?
I am going to make a Christmas ornament.
In May?
Yeah, in May. Anyway, I made a few Christmas ornaments in the past, and they've all been one piece. And this one's going to be two pieces. This will be the body, and then I got the other part over there. This is going to be a attempted two-piece Christmas ornament. Two different kinds of wood. This is now my mind's going to go blank.
Looks like poplar.
Poplar, yes. This is poplar, and the other half's going to be walnut. So, stay tuned. Okay, this is what I've been doing: sea urchin and finials. You get these sea urchins at the Woodcraft or online, and this is what we're making, sort of. This is kind of my first one. It's real heavy, bulky. It's all right, I guess. But this is the body right here. This is the body.
But you're going to make it out of wood.
But I'm going to make it out of wood. Yeah, that's right. That's what I'm trying to get at. But anyway, that way you got a kind of idea. I'm trying to be. Tinning, chuck, spin it around so it holds it. You can, just for video's sake, you can use bigger pieces and use a faceplate and screw it in like that. You can use a faceplate and a bigger piece of wood and screw it in there like that and do the whole process and never even have to, because some people can't afford to. Some people don't like a chuck, can't afford a chuck, there's several reasons, but most of your lathes, like at Harbor Freight, for instance, only come with this. And you can do the whole process with this, it's just a different process. Full rest of oil high. I feel like the distance is too. Basically shaping the. Y'all see in a minute. Yeah, I'll have to do that.
All right.
But we're not going to try to get too cute for this.
Okay, the body of the ornament is done, and now he's starting on the finial.
Parting off the top.
Show him how it fits the bottom. Now you gotta make a finial for the bottom.
Anyway, it goes on there like that and looks kind of like a little birdhouse.
We're on.
There is the end bottom piece. Ta-da! Turned out kind of nice, I think. Wouldn't have hurt if this part was a little bit bigger, but that's part of learning, you know. I think it turned out kind of nice.
Yeah, it looks good. Well, all right. This Pork Chop's little ornament challenge he did for himself worked out well. I know it's only May, but you gotta get ready for Christmas early, right? I want to thank y'all for coming. Y'all have a blessed time in these tough times in the world right now. Hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. This is part of I call it the Blue Collar Turner series. Actually, he gave me that name. And I'm A.M. Woodturning, Alan Mills. And anyone who might be in the area in a reasonable driving distance, I'm willing to come record some of your projects also. So just leave your name and comment, and I'll get with you. The Blue Collar Turner series is meant to show beginning turners that there's more than one way to accomplish something. We all get to an end goal, but how we get there, it's there's 10 ways to skin a cat, I guess I shouldn't say that in this politically correct
Well,
world.
Rednecks know what you're talking
Yeah,
about.
there's many ways to get to your end goal, and we all approach things differently. So it's interesting to watch other turners, how they approach a problem or achieve a result. And I want to thank y'all. Have a good day, and we'll see you later. Y'all come back now, you hear?
Thank you very much.